I've got a bunch of coconuts. I've got a bunch of coconuts. Crumb Boss.
I've got a bunch of coconuts.
Yeah.
Coconut macaroons, everybody.
Coconut macaroons. Okay, that's one thing I'm not allergic to is coconut. I love coconut.
Yes,
I love it, love it, love it.
Love it, love it, love it.
Yeah, I love coconut.
Yeah, I think a lot of people do. And
yes.
I don't really know why I decided to do this recipe. I think
I actually do know why.
Why? I think I got a couple of requests.
No, I know why.
Why?
Duh. I know why.
Because you love them?
Yeah, I love coconuts. Yeah. Duh. Okay. Whoa, over your head.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
That's why we did the coconut macaroon
Okay,
recipe.
it's now 7:45. We're still going. We're going all the way to midnight tonight.
That's right, everybody. We are filming two maniacs filming Crumb Boss.
Don't get tongue twisted, Gretchen.
All right.
Crumb
Easy
Boss.
recipes. We saved the easy recipes for last. I had a method to my madness.
Okay.
Very simple. You've got your sweetened flaked coconut here. I'm going to add in some flour, all-purpose flour.
All right, you mix that
Just
up.
kind of toss that together.
It's called coconut macaroons?
Yeah.
Why is it called a macaroon?
Oh, that's a good question.
Like the margarina? Remember
That's
that
a good
song?
question. If anybody out there knows why they call it a macaroon,
Yeah.
we'd like to know. A little bit of vanilla extract in here.
Vanilla extract must be like, whoever makes it must be rich.
Oh, absolutely.
Because it's like in every single recipe.
Yeah. Oh, it's wonderful for baking.
That's got the hiccups.
Bless you.
Yeah, sorry everybody.
All right, this is sweetened condensed milk.
Sweetened condensed milk.
Now this is a very simple recipe. I am mixing it with my hands because why?
Because why? If you saw every single 134 episodes of Crumb Boss, your hands are your best tool.
That's right.
Please remember that, YouTubers. Your hands are your best tool.
Did you see the comment on when you made Oreo cookie cake pop? Somebody thought that you said your hands are your best shoes.
Yeah, I saw that. And then one guy wrote that he just was waiting for the cookie to fall off.
Yeah, so was I.
So was I. I was sweating. I was sweating when I was holding it. Okay, coconut macaroons.
All
Here
right,
we go.
there you have it. I mean, I just mixed sweetened flake coconut, all-purpose flour, a little bit of vanilla extract, and some sweetened condensed milk. I mixed it all together until I got this.
Okay.
And then?
But then how do you end up with that? That is fabulous. Look at that. That's a pile of chocolate macaroons, Crumb Boss style.
Yeah, drizzled with chocolate.
Ooh.
I really like this cookie. And I like
She like-
coconut. Well,
this is
I like
where she gets
everything.
hungry.
I like everything.
She gets hungry halfway through the episode. You know?
All right, so I have my little ice cream scooper. This is called a number 100 scoop. Mm-hmm. And you can use any size you want, but this is the size that I use.
All right, hold it slow. This is number 100. It's a little tiny one. It's like the size of a quarter, a little bigger.
Okay.
That's something that I use for the cookie pops I made.
Really? Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
We could use it for a lot of things. So you just want to go ahead and scoop your mixture.
Okay.
You want to pack it in pretty good because you want them to hold their shape in the oven.
Like snowballs. Remember when you made snowballs when you were little?
Exactly.
And you got in a snowball fight, you packed them really hard.
No, wait till we have no more pie smashes. It's gonna be a snowball fight, you and me.
Yeah, no. Oh God, you'll be dead. I'll peg you in the head. Where's Gretchen? Down over there.
She's behind the dumpster.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
All right, so there you have it, everybody. Very simple. You are going to scoop out your whole recipe.
Okay. And you have these are macaroons, but then what do you do with them?
We bake them. About 300, 325 degree oven.
Okay.
I'd say maybe 10 minutes until they start to get browned like that.
Oh, so this is a pretty quick recipe.
Oh, yeah, very
easy recipe.
Yeah, it is, and it's really good. And you know what I like about this recipe is that they're not like dried out, crunchy coconut macaroons.
Yeah.
These are very chewy on the inside, and the sweetened condensed milk is what's going to give you that result.
Okay.
That's why I really do like this recipe. I've seen a lot of coconut macaroon recipes that have egg whites in them.
Yeah.
And I gotta say, I prefer this recipe. So give it a try and see if you like it.
Okay.
And then I just took some melted chocolate.
Now you put that on the end after they're baked?
It's been baked and cooled. So they're going to bake for about 10 to 12 minutes at 325. Cool them and then drizzle them with some chocolate.
Nice. Very nice.
There you have it.
Wow, look at that. So there you have it, you guys. Coconut macaroons covered with chocolate. made by the Crumb Boss. You can get the recipe at crumbboss.com. Okay, so the Crumb Boss just keeps making her macaroons right now.
Keep on
She's
until it's over.
okay. She's not gonna stop. So chocolate macaroons. You can find the recipe on crumbboss.com at 3:30 in the morning on Monday nights. And please write us in, make them, share them on Facebook, or do whatever you want. Here they are, nice big chocolate macaroons.
Coconut.
Coconut macaroons.
Crumb Boss.
Yeah. YouTube.
Everywhere.
Crumb Boss.
YouTube, Facebook, everywhere.
Crumb Boss.
Global. Crumb Boss.
YouTube.
YouTube.
Google.